Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing yellow from Rainbow Friends. I'm going to start off with the shape of the head. Right on the side of the page, we're going to curve all the way up. And we want to stop around this point. And we're going to go down right here and end up connecting the two to create the head shape. Once you're done with these lines, we're just going to draw an eye real quick. It's just going to be an oval with a black oval in the middle, a little bit of highlight, and let's just color in the black, like so. Once you're done with the head, let's just move on to the neck on either side and connect. Top of the body is going to be an almost diamond shape. And then we want to go extend down to this point and stop, and this point and stop. With the body done, let's go over to the right. From here, connect, go down for the elbow, curve for the arm, curve down for the finger, and up for the first finger, and across for the top of the arm. And let's connect the shoulder to the arm, like so. For the other arm, we want to start off with the line right here, a curved line for the top of the arm. Go back in for the first finger and a thumb, and one more finger behind, and a little line on the bottom for the bottom of the arm. Once yellow's body is done, we can move over to the feet. So on the back, we want to start with a curve, go straight down. This is the back of the foot, and for the feet, it's just going to be a W shape at a slant, like so. Once you're done with that, let's move up and stop around here. And we want to do the bottom of the foot right here, and the hind leg right here. And same thing, where you're just going to draw a W for the toes and stop. Now for the shin, we want to go up to this point and then slant to connect back to the body. There's going to be little details for the stomach. It's just going to be some little squares, like so. For the stomach details. Now for the back helicopter detail, we want to just draw a line going through, a little cap, and lines going back down to the body. Let's draw the first blade, starting right here. We want to go up, and then to the side, and back down for the first blade. And we want to connect the second blade on the right, and the last blade behind his head, like so. And all we're missing is a little bit of a tail right here. Once you're done with your drawing, let's add some color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.